any trans person will tell you that dating, establishing connections, relationships, that is one of the most daunting things because you're never sure if the person is going to accept you, not accept you.
I think like on one of our first dates, we talked about like, okay, we don't just identify as like male or female. And we were both like, okay, cool.
Yeah. So to sort of start with that right off the bat and say, hey, there's more than what you just see in front of you.
Mm-hmm.
And then to know that that was all right. And that was a good thing. It's like saying like, oh, I'm a Taurus, by the way. And it was like nothing.
Yeah.
It was just wonderful to have someone who A, gets it, and B, loves you for it.
If I was to say something to my younger self, it would be, you can find somebody who loves you and cares for you. That it is out there.
Take the leap and sort of let the chips fall as they may, because you will end up in a place where you'll finally feel comfortable and you'll finally feel confident and you'll finally feel love in all of its complexity and beauty. And also don't pluck your eyebrows too thin, like when you're, don't do that.